Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Keeping Clean. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to discuss about sizes under the title of reading skill. Before this, in Unit 6, I have taught you describing words. I hope you remember. And in these describing words, we talk about tall boy. So such type of describing words tell us size of something. Do you remember this lecture? If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we will learn further only to discuss and recognize different sizes. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Kahf, verse 49, and the record of deeds will be placed open, and you will see the criminals fearful of that within it. And they will say, "Oh, woe to us! What is this book that leaves nothing small or great except that it has enumerated it?" Yes, my dear children, what this verse is telling us. Beta, whatever we say, whatever we do, everything is being written. Do you know we have two angels? They keep on writing all the time. Whatever we say, whatever we do. So it is recorded in a book. It will be a book, I think, because every time we keep on doing things, so it will be a big book which will keep a record of everything. So we should be careful whatever we say. It should be according to our preachings of our Islam, and we should try to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy with all of our words and acts, right? So beta, this book, like, I want you to think about what size of that book will be. Oh, we don't know. So let's start our today's lecture. Now you tell me, your school bag is bigger or your pencil? Like, if you look at your school bag or your pencil, which one is bigger? And close your hand and see your fist size. So teachers, this is a brainstorming activity. What you will do, make every child to make fist and find out who has, like, every fist will be of different size. So tell them who has a bigger fist, who has a smaller fist. So pause the video, answer these questions, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could compare bag and pencil case. Which one is bigger? Of course, your bag is big and your pencil box is small. So this is called size of. Whenever you look at things, you can find out it's big or small or tall or short. This is called size, right? Okay. Tall. Like, if something is heighted, tall, and if it is lower, it's called short. Small and large, small and large, right? So this is also size. Thin and fat. Look at this picture. It's fat right now, and before this it was thin, right? So big, small. When you compare, but usually what happens, we compare. So this is big, this is small, this is heavy, and this is light. Like, when you lift them up, you find it's heavy, you cannot lift it, but it's light, so you can lift it, you can pick it up. Tall, and when you compare them, he is short, right? So this is how, by looking at different things, different objects, we can find their size, right? So all of you now open your book on page number 69. What does it tell us? Now look at these two pictures, big and small. Big, small, fat, thin, large, small, right? So let's practice it through an activity. You have to identify smaller, big, tall or short. What you will do? Teacher will divide class in groups. Students will measure and compare their pencil size. Okay, they will keep up their pencils together and find. Teacher will pick the student with smallest and largest pencil in each group. And the student with the smallest and largest pencil in the class are winner of this activity. So what you will do? First, they will compare pencils within group. So you will take the students from the groups and then they will compare and we'll find the smallest pencil of the class and the longest pencil of the class. So pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you learned how we find out and compare sizes of different things. Okay, so let's continue this practice through our project. First we did it for pencil. Now teacher, you can take different objects. Means it can be a book and chair. Keep comparing and keep telling the students and asking from students till the time they are clear with the concept of size. So pause the video, complete this project and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Let's practice it from your book. It's question number 7. You have to look at the picture and tick the correct image. Okay, so here is a question, which one is larger? So you will compare and you will tick the correct image. Pause the video, complete this question in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, so I'm giving you a homework. You will write the names of 5 small and 5 big objects at your home. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize different sizes. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.